So hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are doing great. So in this video we are going to talk about how we can create a basic cartoon head in Blender. So without any further delay, now let's get started tutorial. And here you can see guys, this is our basic head model in Blender. And here you can see I have also used the shape key for opening and close this mouth basically. Okay, we'll also make the tutorial on this topic as well. But in this video, we'll just talk about only how we can create a head, something like that. Now let's start the tutorial. Okay, so first of all, I will just open a new project file and then I'm just gonna delete this cube. And first of all, I will just enable my shortcut VR so you guys can easily see which key I'm pressing on the right hand side. Okay guys, so for creating the basic head, you need a basic shape first of all. So I will just add one basic shape as a sphere, yeah, something like that. And I will just do right click and do shade smooth. And after that, I will just go to edit mode of this sphere, and I'm just gonna enable my proportion editing from here, and I will just select my top vertex. Okay, and then I'm just gonna press the G and Z. I'm just gonna pull these vertices little bit upside, and I will also pull the bottom vertices also little downside. And after that, I will enable my X symmetry from the top of this section basically, and I'm just gonna select this side vertices. And after that, I will just press the G for move these vertices little bit side, something like that. I think that's look nice to me. And we'll just go to our top view, and I'm just gonna scale little bit from the top side as well. And after doing this scale, make sure you apply the scale pressing the Ctrl A. I think that basic shape is look nice to me. So first of all, we'll just create eyes. So for creating the eyes, I will again import and I will add again one UV sphere. And right now I will just change this align as a view, here you can see. And after that, I'm just gonna scale this UV sphere something like that, and I'm just gonna scale it down something like that. And right now I'm just gonna keep it outside, and I'm just gonna scale this shape little bit up something like that. And after doing the scale, so make sure you apply the scale pressing the Ctrl A. Then you have to just go to your top view, and you have to just move this shape here to here. And now you have to just place the eyes here basically. Yeah, I think that places look nice to me. But first of all, I will just add a mirror modifier so we'll get the second eyes as well. So I'm just gonna add a mirror modifier, and I'm just gonna select this UV sphere as a mirror object. Now here you can see we have both eyes. Now I'm just gonna move it a little bit upside something like that. I'm just gonna have a top view, and I'm just gonna rotate this shape something like that. And I will just change my orientation global to local. I'm just gonna do a little bit inside something like that. I think that is look nice to me right now. Okay, and I think we should increase little size of these eyes. Yeah, and after doing this scale, make sure you apply this scale. So okay, so right now here you can see we have a good eyes here. So now I will just add the mouth. So for adding the mouth, I'm just gonna select some middle faces from here basically. Yeah, something like that. Okay, and then I'm just gonna delete this portion pressing the delete. And now here you can see we have that kind of mouth shape. I'm just going to add the subdivision surface modifier for adding the more smooth. And after that, what I'm going to do basically, I'm just gonna select my all edges of this deleted faces, and then I'm just going to press the E for the extrude on a y-axis. Then I'm just going to again press the E, and I'm just going to extrude it on a y-axis something like that. And after that, I'm just going to press the scale. But before doing the scale, make sure you turn off that proportion editing. I'm just gonna scale a little bit. Then I will again do E Y on extrude on a y axis, and I'm just gonna scale it something like that. And after that, I will just press the F for the fill this edge. So here you can see right now we have that kind of shape here, which is look nice to me. So now here you can see we have a mouth shape as well, and which is look nice to me by the way. Okay, and make sure you enable the level of viewport 2, so you will rid of this shading problem. And after that, what you have to do, you have to just add the nose. So for adding the nose, you have to just select some vertices of here, and you have to just extrude it pressing the E. Then you have to just go to your front view, and here you have to just select the top vertices and do scale it something like that. You have to select these vertices also, do scale it. Make sure you select both vertices. Yeah, so I think that's look nice to me. And make sure you move these vertices little inside, and these vertices little outside as well. Yeah, something like that. And make sure you select these vertices and do move it. So now here you can see we have a perfect nose here. Okay, I know it look little funny, but we are making a cartoon, so that will work on it. To scale it, yeah, I think that noses look also nice to me. Now I will just create a eyebrows. So for creating the eyebrows, I'm just gonna use a curve. Basically, I will just add one path, and I will just go to my path settings, and here I'm just gonna increase the little depth. So I think that much depth is look nice to me. So I'm just gonna select this vertices and do something like that. And now here you can see we have a perfect shape here. So I'm just gonna move it here to here. I will just apply the scale first of all, and I'm just gonna increase little bit depth of this portion. Yeah, something like that. And after that I'm just gonna move this shape little bit downside. This one is little bit upside, and I'm just gonna select this last vertices. Okay, so I'm just gonna press the alt s. I'm just gonna scale it so it will create little narrowness here, and I'm just gonna select this vertices to alt s and increase little thickness, and we can just move it little bit here, little bit here, and little bit here as well. I think that's look nice to me. Yeah, so now here you can see we have a perfect eyebrow here, but right now here you can see we have a big hollow here. So if you want to fill this hollow, you have to just click this fill cap, so you will get rid of this problem. And after that you have to just go to your top view. You have to just move your eyebrow here to here, and after that you have to just rotate your eyebrows something like that. So I think that's look nice to me. We can just do a little scale it, and after doing the scale, make sure you apply the scale. After that just move it little bit left hand side, and after that you have to just add the mirror modifier, so we'll just get another eyebrow as well. Yeah, something like that, and which is look nice to me. Yeah, so we can just move it here to here. I think that's look nice to me, and we can just decrease little thickness of this eyebrows. Yeah, I think that's look nice. So our eyebrows also look nice to me now. So now I'm just gonna add the tongue. So for adding the tongue, I'm just gonna add the again UV sphere. I'm just gonna scale this UV sphere something like that. I'm just gonna scale it, do again scale something like that, and do little stretch. Yeah, I think that's look nice. And after that you apply the scale, make sure, and then keep it here, do scale it, go to front view, keep it here, and scale according to your mouth. So I think that's look nice to me. So our tongue is also look nice to me. Yeah, and make sure you do shade smooth as well. So our tongue is also look nice. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna create a hair. So for creating the hair, make sure you select that select cursor. Okay, and then you have to just select the faces where you need a hair. So I'm just gonna select this part, basically something like that. So alright guys, here you can see we have selected all the faces where we need here. So now I'm just gonna do shift D. I will just duplicate then these faces which is we have selected, and I'm just gonna press the P, do separate by selection. So now here you can see we have a separate part of these hairs. Now I'm just gonna scale this whole shape little inside. Then I'm just gonna edit mode of this shape, but before going to edit mode, make sure you apply the scale. Then I'm just gonna edit mode of this whole shape and going to select all the vertices, pressing the A, and after that I will just do alt E, and I will do extrude along the normals. So now here you can see it's gonna extrude it something like that, and now here you can see we have a beautiful here shape here, and which is look nice to me. Okay, now after that what we have to do, you have to just add one cylinder, and then I'm just gonna scale this cylinder and keep it here something like that. So now here you can see guys, we have a basic cartoon head here, and which is look nice to me. and in the next part we'll just talk about how we can add the color on the face, on the eyebrows, on the hairs, and we'll also talk about how we can create a shape key for the mouth. Okay, so we'll see you in the next part. So till then, thanks for watching this video guys. If you learned something in this video, please hit the like button, hit the share button, and subscribe my channel. Also, if you have any queries, if you have any suggestion, please let me know in the comment box. I will definitely reply comment. So bye bye, take care and stay home guys.